Welcome to beautiful downtown West Palm Beach, Florida. Today we're checking out the 58 EB KADEY Krogen. It's an absolute trawling beast ready for blue water adventures. Up here on the Flybridge, this is where you're going to want to navigate this boat for a couple of reasons. A very social area. You can have your friends up here, you can have it enclosed for protection from the elements, or you can open it up and get that nice breeze. You have twin captain seats, one for you and your first mate. We have a Garmin array. We also have bow and stern thrusters on this vessel, and you have your thruster controls as well. So up here on the Flybridge, we have refrigeration and a freshwater sink. And as you step down off the back end, what you're going to notice is you have your tender and your tender crane. And then you also have your summer kitchen or your grill. Plenty of storage out there, plenty of storage all over this boat for a long expedition. Safety and protection from the elements are all over this vessel, made for nice long passages for you. Up here on the bow, beautiful social zone. You also have twin forward-facing seats covered for protection from the elements. Just forward of the main helm, what you're going to notice, we have twin docking stations on both the port and starboard side, so you can ease in and out of the dock with no trouble at all. So when we talk about this KADEY Krogen 58 EB, what you're going to notice is three main points. Number one, this is a very efficient blue water trawling yacht. It's a full displacement hull, which gives you maximum efficiency, about 40% over a normal boat. Number two, the livability. This is a boat you want to buy to live on. Hey, it's a blue water cruising yacht, yes, but absolutely there's tons of storage in here, full-size appliances. This thing was built for you in mind to live aboard for the rest of your life. Number three, tradition. Since 1976, they've been building these boats with the highest level of craftsmanship and the detail, and you notice it everywhere on the vessel, from the woodwork to the hull. Every part of the manufacturing process is top-notch. Up here on the Portuguese bridge, what you're going to notice is the attention to detail. Check out the woodwork, absolutely impeccable. Great visibility, our telemetry at hand, and of course, all our controls for when we're underway. Redundant both upstairs and downstairs, twin captain's chairs, and you have access to both the bow and stern areas and the cabins below. When we talk about living aboard, it all starts right here in the galley in the main salon. What you're going to notice is full-size appliances, dishwasher, range, oven, full sink, storage abounds. Then off to the side we have more refrigeration, and down below near the cabins we have more refrigeration as well. In the salon area we have a nice bar area, keeps you fully engaged. Whether you're cooking or relaxing, or over here in the settee area, you're fully in contact with everybody on board. Stepping forward into the master suite, above we have great skylights giving great light below. Plenty of storage is an understatement. There's storage all over this vessel, maybe the best part of this one. Full ensuite bathroom in the master, separate shower, and here we have the transformative area. Semi-custom boats, so you can get this one tricked out any way you want. This has a cabin over on the starboard side with a day head, and here we have an office, again tricked out with storage, refrigeration, but again, you can get this any way you want it. Length overall is 63 feet 3 inches, has a beam of 18 feet 10 inches, and then this is a twin engine 160 horsepower John Deere engines, and the draft with that gives you 5.4. Fuel capacity is 1,810 gallons, and we have a range of 3,800 nautical miles at 7 knots. So we have 3 access points to this vessel on both the port and starboard side, as well as the aft. That gives you access up here into this beautiful cockpit area, so you're ready for a nice glass or bottle of wine under the sun or under the stars. This boat checks a lot of boxes.